Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is well. In today's video, I am going to unbox this little guy here. I bought it. I finally gonna have some extra light while I'm vlogging. This is close to 50 bucks, but they have this promo. I bought it in Amazon. I think I end up paying close to $25 including the tax, but I have a Prime membership, so it's a free shipping. So let's see. I hope this is good as like the reviews, all the user that been telling with all the reviews on the site. This is the manual. So like that. And this is how it looks like inside. So here is the light, and there's a 3 settings of this video ring light kit. So, and here's the thing where you can set up for the lighting right here, and you have to charge and plug this. So that means you don't need a battery, which is a right thing though. I mean, which is a good thing. So let's see. Sorry. Here's the stand. I mean, part of it. I mean, so I took the one part here. I took care of that. This is probably the stand. The good thing of this tripod with the light, the stand is metal, guys. Look, so this is maybe more durable, and so far there's a lot of reviews, and so far they like it. And this is for the camera control, and if you are having, you know, Bluetooth. So this is matched with Android smartphones and iPhones. So camera 360 iOS and Android. There you go. This is what it's called again, video photography ring light kit. And this is pretty much the durability, I think it's probably good. I'm hoping so. So let's assemble this. You have to put so you see that, so you can do where you want to go, like you can do it longer than it should. Alright mga loves, I didn't film how I assemble it because pretty much there's a manual that you can follow here, and it's pretty easy. So this is a separate thing. You just put the post in here, you twist it, and the part that I showed you, this one, just clip it here and put this light on the holes here, and it will attach to each other. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty much durable, and it's I don't know how many pounds, but it's a little heavy because it's metal. And here is the thing, and there's a battery. So this is matches with the iPhone and Android or smartphone. There's the battery in there. What I like about this is I don't need to set a timer for 10 seconds to have selfies for myself. All you have to do is press this little guy here, and it will take some picture. And this is the light, and again there's 3 kinds of light. I think light, medium, and like warm or something. But let me try this out. Let's try out the lights of this guy. I'm gonna be using the charger of my iPhone because there's a USB cord in here. You plug it like that, and then let's see. Okay, and here is the light, and if you could see, it's turning on. So let's test out how good it is. Give me 1 second. There you go. There. So according to the manual, there's let me find the English one. I just don't want this video too long, so let me check back to you guys. Okay, guys, I tested it out of the camera. So let's turn it on again. The cord is long enough. So there's a positive and negative sign. Positive where you want the brightness enhances more or brighter, and then negative to make it like a little dim, I believe. The one in the middle, this one here, where you can change the mode of the light, like if you want vivid, warm, or light, or natural. So that's probably the natural one. It's kind of yellowish tone with that light. Let's press one more time. That one is brighter, I believe. Brighter. That warm. That's natural. One more time. That's natural. That is like brighter. And that's the warm light. So far I like it. And then if I have a makeup tutorial soon, I'll be using this little guy here. So I hope you like and learn from this video today. If you do, a big thumbs up is really appreciated. And for those who's new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys. Oh, and also one thing mga loves, this one you can move it like that, so you can do any angles you want, like that here. Again, I didn't show you how I assemble it, but it's pretty much easy and follow the instruction. These are separate, 1, 2, 3 parts in here. You just put it here, and then attach this one on the post, and attach this light ring in here as well. So pretty much that's it.